to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so now it's like the end of this month and a new month is going to start. And for me, this is the last month, and then after that, it's my holidays. After May, June, July, July and August, July and August. I have to wait 2 months and then I have holidays. I'm so happy. Okay, so last time I had a lot of callers and I just told just like half of a paragraph in the starting of Earth Day, as I was saying. Well, today also I want that much callers, so then I don't have to tell my topic, so we'll have a lot of fun. So if I want callers, and if there are callers, we'll have a lot of fun, we'll chat with each other, we'll play a lot of games, and we'll ask each other questions, we'll know about each other, we'll become good friends. So, today is a Saturday, and next week, this coming week, my FAs are going to start. So for some of you also, your FAs are going to start, right? I'm sure. So you can also tell me about those. Okay, so as I told, I have a new segment. In that, I'm going to talk about a place. So today, the place I've taken is Kanyakumari. I'll tell you more briefly about Kanyakumari later. Okay, so we should always start the day with a thought for the day, as all of you know. So let's see the thought for the day, and let's start the day with that. Okay, so the thought for the day is, don't waste a good mistake, learn from it. Okay, so the thought for the day is, don't waste a good mistake, learn from it. So this means like if you made a mistake which is really bad, you have to learn from it instead of wasting it, or instead of not caring about what's going to happen, what are the consequences. So that's the thought for the day. So now let's go for the word for the day. Okay, so the word for the day is gay, which means happy. The sentence is, Samantha could not be gay after her parents left for UK. So this means happy, which is gay. So this girl Samantha, her parents left for UK, so she was really sad, so she couldn't be gay. She could not feel happy, so that is the meaning of gay. So now I hope all of you loved the thought for the day and word for the day. So okay, so this gay, I want, like, if there are callers, I want callers, of course. So I can ask you like a sentence with gay. So any callers, I can just ask you. So please be ready. Okay, it's gonna be fun. Okay, so now that I told the thought for the day and word for the day, now callers can call. Okay, so as I'm telling, there'll be a topic. So the topic which I've taken is 7 Wonders of the World. I'm sure all of you know the 7 Wonders of the World, and but some of them I think you haven't heard of him. Well, I'll just tell them. Okay, the first one is the Great Wall of China in China. So you know the Great Wall of China, which is in China. The second one is Petra in Jordan. I'll talk about these in brief, but for now I'm just telling the names and the places where it's located. Okay, the Great Wall of China is in China, Petra in Jordan, then the Colosseum in Rome, Italy, then Chichen Itza in Yucatan, Mexico, then Machu Picchu. Okay, before I continue, we have a caller. So hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Neha Rosebino.
Your name is Neha?
Rosebino.
Okay, so hi Neha, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Okay.
Okay, so Neha, which grade are you in?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay, have you called me before?
Yeah.
Okay, you have. Okay. Okay, so Neha, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing,
Okay.
singing,
Okay.
and drawing.
Okay, drawing. Okay, so what kind of dance do you do? Like, what kind of dance you do?
Cinematic dance.
Cinematic. Okay, so you're really good in it?
Hello?
So you're really good in cinematic dance?
Yes.
Okay, so you said your hobby is also singing. So can you sing a song for us?
Yes.
Okay, any language is fine, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you
I
can
will sing a song right here waiting. It's in English.
Okay.
Oceans up are day after day, and I slowly go since I hear your voice on the line, but it's stop the pain. If I see you next, never. How can we say forever?
Okay.
Oceans apart day after day.
Okay, so that was wonderful. You sang really well.
Thank you.
Okay, so shall we play a game now?
Okay.
Okay, so let's see the games.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just tell you the games.
Yes.
Okay, so the games are Atlas, Make a Sentence, Riddles, Guess Who Am I, Connect, Tongue Twisters, Memory Game, Add a Noun, GK Questions, Visual Guess, Picture Memorization, Errors, Buzz, Spelling Bee, Rhyme the Word and Logo Quiz. So which do you choose?
I need Atlas.
Atlas. Okay, Neha, you know how to play Atlas, right?
Yes.
Okay, so who'll start?
I will start.
Okay, you start.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. I for me, I'll say India.
I'll tell Antarctica.
Antarctica. A.
Yeah.
Agra.
Which letter?
Agra.
So last letter is which?
Agra ends with A.
A. Africa.
Africa. Okay. I'll say Assam.
Assam. And
Yeah, it ends with M.
M.
M for monkey.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. A. Argentina.
A. America.
America. A. I'll say, what will I say? Okay, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. So H.
Yeah.
H. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, D for me, I'll say Denmark.
What?
Denmark. K for you.
K. 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 I don't know.
You don't know a place with K?
I know.
You know a place with K?
I know.
Okay, then tell.
K. I don't know. Yeah.
You don't know a place with K? Fine. Shall I tell you?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just tell you some options. You could say Kerala, Kenya,
Oh shit.
then Kochi, Kannur, many places.
Oh,
Okay,
really?
well, this is a very
I
well
was
played
from
game.
Kerala. I forgot.
Okay, that's fine. Well, it was a very well played game. So, did you enjoy?
Yes.
So, you had a lot of fun?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope you have a nice day. And will you call me again?
Yes.
Okay, bye Neha. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Call me again.
Okay.
Okay, so that was Neha with us, my first caller, and I really had a lot of fun. I wish also Neha had a lot of fun. Okay, as I was saying, the 7 wonders of the world, I stopped at Chichen Itza in Yucatan, Mexico, and the next place is Machu Picchu in Cuzco region of Peru. So I'm sure all of you might be knowing Peru. And Machu Picchu is in the Cuzco region of Peru. And next one is Taj Mahal. I'm sure all of you would be knowing Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, India. The next one is Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Sorry, it's Janeiro in Brazil. Okay, so I told all the 7 wonders of the world. Now I'll be telling all of them in brief and about the things there. Okay, first I told about the Great Wall of China, so that I'm sure you would understand that I'm going to talk about the Great Wall of China first. Okay, so I'm sure you must have, some of you would have visited China and must have visited the Great Wall of China, and you all must be knowing also about China, the Great Wall of China. And it is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, and tamed earth and wood and other materials, generally built along an east to west line across the historical northern border of China to protect the Chinese states and empires against the raids and invasion of other countries. So it's built of stones, wood, tamed earth and brick, etc. How cold? That's a problem going on, sniffing. Okay, So in the Great Wall, it helps. I mean, like it generally protects the east. It's generally built along the east to west line across the historical northern borders, and it protects the invades and raids, like the invasions and raids of the various places, and it protects the Chinese Empire and the Chinese states, and it's of the Eurasian, and mostly the raid will be there in the Eurasian steppe. The spelling of steppe actually is S-T-E-P-E-E. S-T-P-E-E-P. Sorry, S-T-E-P-P-E. So that's the spelling of steppe, and that's the Eurasian steppe. And several walls were being built as early as the 7th century BC. These later were joined together to form a great big wall, which is known as the Great Wall of China. And this famous wall built in 220 200 to 206 BC by Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, and it only little remains of that wall. But then since then the Great Wall it was rebuilt again and again and maintained and enhanced. The majority of the existence of the wall is from the Ming Dynasty. So this wall's majority of existence is from the Ming Dynasty. So it's really huge, and it stretches from the Dandong in the east to Lope Lake in the west. So there is this. It stretches from Dandong to the Lope Lake in the east. The Dandong in west to the Lope Lake in east, and along an arc that roughly delineates the south of Inner Mongolia. Okay, so this wall, as I said, stretches from Dandong to Lope Lake. So this is the Great Wall of China, and it's okay, before we continue, we have a caller. So hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Ganga.
Brinda. Ganga, okay. Hi Ganga, welcome to Kidu Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, so Ganga, which grade are you in?
5th,
5th. Which school?
James Savaron Indian School.
Gems Aron Indian School, okay. So you went to your new grade in this year, right? This month?
Yes.
Okay, so are you having fun?
Yes,
You're having a lot of fun? So do you miss your old teachers, or or are your new teachers fine with you?
yes, I miss my teachers,
Okay.
old teachers.
Okay. So Ganga, what are your ambition?
My ambition is to be a scientist.
Okay, be a scientist. So do you have any plans for being a scientist? Do you have any plan to invent anything?
Yes, I would like to research.
No, what do you want to invent when you become a scientist? Like if you become a scientist, what are you going to invent?
I'll invent a new innovation.
Okay, I know you'll be invent new innovations and new stuff, but then what do you want to invent? Like what is the main thing, or what is the thing that you really want to invent?
I'm not, still I didn't plan about it.
Okay, so you haven't decided yet.
Yes, I didn't decide yet.
Okay, no problem. Shall we go for a game now? You can think
Yes.
about you can think about it later, right? Like what you're gonna make.
Yes, I will think.
Yes. So if you're a scientist, I hope you become a great famous scientist. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so Ganga, we'll go for a game, right?
Yes,
Okay, so shall we see the games?
yes,
Okay, I'll tell you the games, but before I tell you the games, Atlas is over, okay?
okay.
Okay, so the games are Atlas, make a sentence, riddles, guess who am I, connect, tongue twisters, memory game, add a noun, GK questions, visual guess, picture memorization, errors, buzz, spelling bee, rhyme the word and logo quiz. And as I said, Atlas is over. So you can choose any other game.
Riddles?
Riddles, okay, riddles. So riddles is not over. So I'll ask you how many riddles? I'll ask you 5.
Okay,
5 riddles. Okay. The first one which I'm going to ask Okay, I'll ask you two very tricky questions. Is fine with you?
Okay.
Okay. The first question what I wanted to ask is, there are two trees, okay, and two ties. You know tie, right?
Yes.
Okay, so there are two trees and two ties, and how many T's are there in that? So did you
There
get
are
the question? Should I repeat the question, Ganga?
Okay.
Okay, just listen carefully. There are two trees and two ties. So how many T's are there in that? How many letter T? You know the letter T?
Yes.
So how many T's are there in that?
There are two T.
How? How there are two T's? Tell me the answer. I mean, like just tell me how there are two T's. Hello? Hello?
That.
Okay, so why are there two T's? Can you tell again?
That.
Okay, so T and T, right? That?
Yes. T in that.
Yes, well, that's the correct answer. So, like, I think it is really easy for you.
Yes.
Okay, so the next question what I want to ask is, your
Yes.
age when you're 2 years old, okay, when you're 2 years old, your brother
Yes.
is half your age, okay?
Huh? My?
See, when you are 2 years old, your brother is half your age. And so when you're 60 years old, how old will your brother be?
Repeat it, can you please?
See, I'll tell you again. When you're 2 years old, okay, when you are 2 years old, your brother will be half your age. So that means 1, right?
Yes.
So if you are 60 years old, how old will your brother be?
30.
30. No, that's the wrong answer. It's kind of tricky. And the answer is there in the question itself. Hello? Hello? Do you pass?
I don't know.
Do you pass?
Okay, pass, I pass.
Okay, so like the answer is 59. It's because when you're 2 years old, your brother is 1, right? Means the number before 2 is 1, so it's just minus 1, so 1. So the half of 2 is 1, but then if you put, he's just 1 year younger to you.
Yes.
Okay, so if you're 60, he'll be 1 year younger to you, so 59.
Yes.
So you understood? Did you understand?
I understood.
Okay, so I asked you 2 questions and I have 3 more questions to ask. Okay, next question is, where will you always find diamonds?
Yeah, okay, say.
Where will you always find diamonds?
Jewelry?
No. It's somewhere common. Like, if for jewelry you need to buy it, right? Or you need to see it somewhere, right? But other than that, where is a common place? Common thing. Like,
Shop.
if there are no jewelry, if there are no diamond jewelries available around your place, where will you see it? You can't see in the jewelry. You can't see in the diamond. You can't see the diamond or jewelry, right?
Is it in the ring?
No, not in the rain. It's related to playing. It's an indoor game and it's related to playing. I gave you a clue, okay?
In playing cards there will be diamonds.
In what?
Playing cards.
Yes, correct answer. So in a deck of cards in the deck of a pack of cards of diamonds, it'll be there, right?
Yes.
Okay. The next question is, what is the brightest fish?
What is that?
Brightest fish. You know fish, brightest fish. The question is, which is the brightest fish, or what is the brightest fish?
Starfish.
Yes, correct answer. Very good. Okay, your last question is, what pillar is never used to hold up a building? What pillar is never used to hold up a building?
Caterpillar.
Yes, correct answer. Okay, you got all of them correct. Wonderful. So, did you enjoy?
Yes, I really enjoyed
So,
it.
Ganga, next on Sunday or whenever you can, you go and ask your friends, okay?
Yes,
You ask these questions and let's see if they'll get it, okay?
I will ask these questions.
Okay. So, Ganga, I hope you had a nice day and bye. Call me again. Okay, so that was Ganga with us, and she played really well. And though you know she didn't get the second question, but she got all the rest, and I really had fun playing with her. Okay, so I told about the Great Wall of China. Now I have to start about Petra, which is in Jordan. And it's a historical and archaeological city in the southern Jordanian governorate of Man, M-A-A-N, and is famous for its rock cut architecture and water conduit system. So another name for this Petra is Rose City, because it's like due to the color of the stone and the way it's like and with the stone it's carved out of. So this is called Rose City because the color of the stone which the city is carved out of is like color like a rose, and it's possibly established at an as okay. Before we continue, we have a caller. So hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Yes,
Okay, hi Emmanuel, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
thank you.
Okay, so Emmanuel, which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3.
Grade 3, okay. Which school?
Indian Academy, Sharjah.
Indian Academy, Sharjah. So, like, this month only you went to a new grade?
Yes.
Okay, so are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay, so what did you do in your weekends?
Yeah. We have saw movies.
Oh, you saw a movie, okay. Which movie did you see?
Malayalam.
Okay. Okay, so you had a lot of fun watching the movie. Did you play with your friends also?
Yes.
You didn't play with your friends?
Yes.
Okay,
I played.
you played?
Yes.
Okay. So, Emmanuel, shall we play game now?
Yes.
Okay, before I tell you the games, let me tell you, Atlas and riddles are over, okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you the rest of the games.
Yes.
Okay, the games are make a sentence, guess who am I, connect, tongue twisters, memory game, add a noun, GK questions, visual guess, picture memorization, errors, buzz, spelling bee, rhyme the word, and logo quiz. So which do you choose?
GK questions.
GK questions, okay. So I'll ask you how many? I'll ask you 5.
Yes.
Okay. So your first question is, which state is the biggest in the wait, like before I start, I want to ask you something. These GK questions are really hard, so if you want to change the game, you can. But not
Guess who am I?
Okay, guess who am I? Okay, so you want the visual guess? You want the visual guess, which you can see and guess, or you want the which I tell you and guess?
Visual game.
Visual guess. Okay. So let's see the pictures.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it'll come. Just you have to wait. Okay, the pictures will come. Don't worry.
Okay.
These two, I'll just tell you the clues before when the picture comes also. First, like both of them are American singers and they are also American actors. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So did you see the pictures?
No.
Okay. When
Yes,
you come, you saw the
can see.
picture.
Um.
Okay. Who's the first one?
Clue.
Clue. I told you right. Both of them are American singers and American actors.
No. No. No idea.
So shall I tell you the answers?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is Ariana Grande and the second one is Victoria Justice, okay?
Eh?
Okay, so I think this is hard for you. Well, I'll ask you some riddles, okay?
It's very hard.
It was hard?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. I'll ask you riddles, okay? I'll ask you two riddles.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So your first question is what is black and white and has lot of like writings and crimes on it?
What? What?
What is black and white and has lot of writings, crimes and what do you say, news on it? I gave you a really easy clue.
Newspaper.
Yes, correct answer. Okay, your last question is, what does a winner of a running race always lose?
What is the winner? Once more? Once more?
Huh? Can you tell again?
Once more.
No.
Then repeat the question. Repeat the question.
Oh, repeat the question. Okay. What does a winner of a running race always lose? What does a winner of a running race always lose?
Second place.
I don't have a clue. I'm sorry.
Eh?
Should I repeat it again?
Second place.
No.
Uh,
And I don't have a clue. I'm sorry.
gold.
No. Shall I tell you the answer? Pass.
Silver.
You pass?
Silver.
No.
Uh,
You pass?
pass.
You pass?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you the answer.
Yes.
Okay, he loses breath.
Breath.
Yeah, because he's running really
Funny.
fast, he'll lose his breath. If you also run really fast and then afterwards when you stop, you won't be able to breathe so much, no?
Okay.
Okay, so I hope you had a lot of fun.
Yes.
Okay, next time you can choose another game, okay? This time it is hard, no?
Okay.
Okay, so you'll
No
call me
problem.
again?
Have a nice day.
You'll call me again?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. Bye, Emmanuel. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, that was Emmanuel with us. Well, the game was kind of hard for him because he's small. He's in 3rd grade. Okay, so I was talking about Petra and Jordan. It's an archaeological city, and it's also called as Rose City due to the color of the stone in which it's carved. So it's probably established in 312 BC as the capital city of the Arab. It is a symbol of Jordan. So this city is a symbol of Jordan, and it's also the capital city of Arab. And it's like, okay, before we continue, we have a caller. So hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Daya.
Daya.
Yeah.
Okay, so hi Daya, welcome to Kidu Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, which grade are you in, Daya?
I'm in 6th.
6th, okay. Which school?
Gems Aaron English High School, Dubai.
Gems Aaron English High School, Dubai. Okay, high five. I'm in the same school.
Yeah, which grade?
Yeah. I'm in 7th.
Oh,
Okay. So, Daya, like, what are your hobbies?
I sing, I dance, and I do English elocution and all.
Okay. So, like, what kind of dance do you do?
I do cinematic, classical, Bollywood, and all.
So, you do classical.
Yeah,
So, which classical dance do you do?
I do Bharatanatyam.
Bharatnatyam. Okay. High five, and I do the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you said you like singing. So, can you like sing a song?
No, I can actually sing because I have tonsils right now, so I have problem with singing right now.
Okay. Well, that's fine. I hope you get well soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So, like, shall we play a game now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Daya. Let's see the games.
Yeah.
Okay, like before I tell you the games, let me tell you Atlas, then riddles and what do you say, visual guess are over, okay?
Yeah.
I'll tell you the other games, okay?
Yeah.
Make a sentence, guess who am I, connect, tongue twisters, memory game, add a noun, GK questions, then picture memorization, errors, bus, spelling bee, rhyme the word, logo quiz, and yeah, so those are the games. So which do you
Yeah.
choose?
Memory game.
Memory game.
Yeah.
Okay, so who'll start?
You can start.
Okay, you know how to play?
Yeah, what's the topic?
Or you can choose any topic. You can choose the topic.
Colors?
Colors, okay. So you told I have to start, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll start with purple.
Okay. Purple, blue.
Purple, blue, yellow.
Purple, blue, yellow, red.
Purple, blue, yellow, red, green.
Purple, blue, yellow, red, green, white.
Okay. So that will be purple, blue, yellow, red, green, white, orange.
Can you say it again? Because
I said orange.
yeah. Okay. Can you say it again?
Purple, blue, yellow. Purple. I said purple, blue, yellow, red, green, orange.
Purple, blue, yellow, red, green, orange, and then I said white.
Yeah, you said white.
Black.
Black. Okay. Purple, blue, yellow, yellow, red, green. Then after green, white, orange, black, maroon.
Okay. Yellow, red.
No, that's not the starting.
Huh?
That's not the starting.
Purple, yellow, red.
No, it's wrong. It's correct. Sorry.
No, I don't get it. I forgot.
Oh yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong. So
Yeah.
do you remember?
No, I don't. I forgot.
Okay, that's fine. And you played really well, even though. So
Thank you.
okay, well this game, like it is short. So shall I ask you like one guess who am I question?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So the question which I'm going to ask is, I have a sweet smell and
Yeah.
I have pollen grains on me and petals. Who am I?
A rose.
No.
Flower.
Yes, correct answer. So did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, well like you can call me again, right?
Yeah.
We have a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so have a nice day, Diane. Bye. Call me again.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Daya with us. She played really well and I hope she gets well because she has tonsils. Okay, so I want more callers now. So I want a lot of callers. I don't want to finish my topic. Okay, here's a caller. So hello.
Huh? Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Can you tell it again?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yes.
Okay, hi Kevin, welcome to Kidu Kids.
Yes.
Okay, so which grade are you in, Kevin?
What?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 5.
Fifth.
Yeah.
Okay, which school?
Bilbo Indian School.
Okay. So Kevin, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'll be police.
Can you tell it again?
Police.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Police.
Oh, police. Okay. So, you like being a police?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kevin, shall we play a game now?
Yeah, we'll play.
Okay, like before I tell you the games, let me tell you Atlas, riddles, then visual guess, and memory game are over. Okay.
Riddles?
I'm telling that Atlas, then riddles, then memory game, and visual guess are over. The rest I can ask you the rest. Okay.
Oh.
I'll tell you the games which are not over. Okay, so the games which are not over are make a sentence, guess who am I, connect, tongue twisters, add a noun, GK questions, picture memorization, errors, buzz, spelling bee, rhyme the word, and logo quiz. So which do you choose?
I'll take spelling bee.
What do you take?
Spelling bee.
Spelling bee. Okay, spelling bee. So what do you want? You want hard, easy, medium, or all mixed together?
Easy.
Easy, one easy. Okay. So your first word is molar.
Molar.
Yeah, molar.
MOLAR.
Yes, correct answer. Your next word is incisor. Incisor.
INCIER.
Can you tell it again?
INCIERS.
Actually, it's INCISORS. Okay?
Yes.
Hello? Okay, that's fine. I guess it was a bit hard. Okay, your next word is protein.
What?
Protein. You know proteins? Proteins?
Cutted.
Proteins.
13.
Yeah.
THIRTEEN.
Okay. Proteins, correct answer. Next word is liquid.
LIQUID.
Yes, correct answer. So I'm telling the last word. I'm asking only 5. Okay, so your next word is alloy.
Don't know.
Shall I tell you the answer?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, what do you say? The spelling is ALLOY. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, well, you played really well. So, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope you had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So, you can call me again, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, have a nice day and bye, Kevin. Call me again.
Okay.
Okay. So that was Kevin with us, and he played spelling bee. He took it easy, and he answered, like, he didn't answer 2, but that's okay. I guess it was really hard. It was kind of hard because incisors, I think, is kind of hard, and alloy, I think he wouldn't have learned it. Okay, so as I was saying, I wanted a lot of callers, and before I could continue, I got a caller. I was really happy. Okay, so what I was saying is, like, it is a well-known and a popularly visited. Okay, before we continue, we have a caller. So, hello. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Avantika.
Avantika.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Avantika. Welcome to Kidu Kids.
Hi.
Okay, so Avantika, which grade are you in?
I'm in 5th.
7th.
Huh?
You're in 7th grade.
5th.
6th.
5th.
5th. Okay. So, Avantika, which school are you in?
I'm in Gems Avron Indian School.
Gems Avron Indian School, okay. So, like, are you having fun in your new grade?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Avantika, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and dancing.
Singing and dancing. So, can you sing a song?
No, not singing, dancing.
Only dancing.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what all do you like? Like, what kind of dance do you do?
I do Bollywood dance.
Bollywood. Okay. So, which is your favorite song that you like to dance on?
Every song is.
Okay. So, like, Avantika, we'll play a game now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see the games.
Yeah.
Okay, before I tell you the games, let me tell you that Atlas, riddles, visual guess, then memory game, and spelling bee are over. Okay.
We like to have logo quiz.
Okay, logo quiz. So we'll play. You know how to play logo quiz?
Yeah, we have to guess the logo, right?
Yes. So there'll be 4 logos, and you have to guess them. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you see the logos?
No.
Have they come yet?
Yeah, now we can see.
Okay. So can you tell me?
The bird one is Nestle. Nestle.
Yes. Correct answer.
After that is Amazon.
Okay.
Down of Amazon is Samsung.
Okay.
And the last one is Dropbox.
Okay, correct answer. Very well played. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
So, did you have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
So, I think the questions are really easy, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's fine. Next time when you call, you can take another game and we'll have a lot of fun. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, Avantika, I hope you have a wonderful day and bye. Call me again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Avantika, and she had a really sweet voice, and I enjoyed playing with her, and I think the questions were really easy for her. Yeah, as I was saying, it's the most visited place, tourist attraction in Jordan. This place Petra, and it lies on a slope of Jebel Al Madbha. Okay, it is identified as some of the Mount Hor. So it lies on a slope, this place Petra, and this place Petra, it is the large, and it's among the mountains from where the Dead Sea runs, and in the large valley from where the Dead Sea runs, and to the Gulf of Aqaba. So this place, it runs from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba, and it has also been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1985. So this place Petra has been a World Heritage Site from till 1985 in UNESCO. Okay, and the site remains unknown to the Western world until 1812. So this site was unknown to the Western world until 1812, when it was introduced by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt. So this place was introduced by Swiss traveler and explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt. It was described as a rose-red city, half as old as time, in a Navigate Prize-winning poem. So this guy, Johann, he has written a poem which inscribed it, and UNESCO has described it as one of the most precious cultural properties of man's cultural heritage. So it's 7 wonders of the world. It's added in that because it's one of the most main man cultural heritage things. And Petra was named amongst the new 7 wonders of the world in 2017. So after they keep changing, I guess, the 7 wonders of the world. So the new one, it was named in 2007. That time it was new for them. Okay, so the third one is the Coliseum Con. So I'm sure all of you would have heard about the Coliseum Con, or at least read a book or something. So the Coliseum Con is located in Rome, Italy. and it's also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, and in Latin it's known as Amphitheatrum Flavium, and in Italian it's known as Amphitheatro Flavio, so or Colossia. So this is all the different this is how different people pronounce this place, the Colosseum or the Coliseum. And it's also known as Colosseo in normal, like English also you can tell it as Colosseo, and it's a oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. So like half of, if you have seen the picture of the amphitheater, it's like it's broken in one part of the side, like one side is broken, and it's the largest amphitheater ever built. So this amphitheater is the largest one ever built, and and the Colosseum is situated just east of the Roman Forum. There is this Roman Forum, and this Colosseum is situated just east of the Roman Forum, and its construction began under the Emperor Vespasian. So the Vespasian, yeah. So and this construction build was started from the Emperor Vespasian in AD 72. Okay, and it was completed in AD 80. So from AD 72 to AD 80, this Colosseum was built, and under his successor and here Titus. Titus also is king. I'm sure you must be knowing him. Well, I read a book, Geronimo Stilton. It's a graphic novel. In that, they were talking about the Colosseum and about Titus and all those. In that time, it was the ruler was Titus, and it is like further modifications were made under his successor and here Titus. So like after Vespasian made it, like the modifications and extra things and all were made by his here Titus, and it is also made by his room of Domitian, and these three emperors were known as the Flavian dynasty. So these three emperors, they were the main people who helped to raise the amphitheater. So they were known as the Flavian dynasty. And the amphitheater was named. Okay, before we continue, we have a caller. So hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Debbie.
Kelly.
Debbie.
Benny.
Debbie.
Can you tell the spelling?
Devvie.
Okay, Beveid.
No.
Okay, Dveeid.
No, wait. It's Debbie. Debbie.
Debbie.
Yeah.
Okay, so hi Debbie, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Hi.
I'm sorry I didn't get your name.
It's okay. That happens a lot.
Okay, so Debbie, which grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade, okay. Which school?
Arun English High School, Sharjah.
Arun English High School, Sharjah, okay. I'm in Arun English High School, Dubai.
Yeah, I heard that while I was watching.
Okay, so do you watch Kiddo Kids more often?
No, I think this is the second or third time.
Okay, so Debbie, are you having fun in your new grade?
Yes, kind of. Getting used to it.
Okay, so I think are you having a lot more to study than in 7th?
Yes.
Okay.
A lot more.
A lot, okay. So I'm sure you must be having fun, and also you must be a little sad that you have a lot to study, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Debbie, what are your hobbies?
I sing and I play music like drums.
Okay. So you love playing the drums?
Yeah.
So is there any other instrument that you play?
I started learning the piano, only
Piano, okay.
a little bit.
Okay, so is there any song you can do in the piano?
Just one song.
Which song can you do in the piano?
I can do, it's a Christian song. I can do songs Like random songs. You
Okay,
just play the
random
chords
songs.
to it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
said you like singing. So can you sing a song?
Sure, I can.
Okay, you can sing any language, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the stars. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and now that your itch bare. See how I leave every piece of you. Don't underestimate things that I would do.
Okay.
Scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love remind me of us. Leave me breathless. That's all I'm doing right now because I have a throat
Okay,
issue.
well, you sang really well. You have a wonderful voice.
Thank you.
Okay, so you sang really well, okay? Okay, so Debbie, you'll play a game now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's see the games.
Yeah.
Okay, before I tell you the games, let me tell you that Atlas, riddles, visual guess, then logo quiz, and memory game are over. Okay?
Okay, I'll take bus. I'll take bus.
Buzz, okay, you know how to play buzz?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
like, yeah, can you just explain it?
Okay, it's like if we take 5 stable, which is easy, we'll take 5
Yeah.
okay? We'll take 5
Yeah.
stable.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so it's like I'll say 1, you'll say 2, 3, 4, and when it comes to 5 and all the
I have to
numbers
say
in
buzz.
5 stable, you have to say buzz, okay?
Yeah, done.
Okay, so who will play? Who'll start playing?
I'll start.
Who'll start?
Yeah.
Uh,
1.
You'll start?
Yeah, I'll start.
Okay, so you'll, okay, say
1,
2,
3,
4,
bus,
6,
7,
8,
9,
buzz,
11,
12,
13,
14,
bus,
16,
17,
18,
19,
buzz,
21,
22,
23,
24,
bus,
26,
27,
28,
29,
buzz,
31,
32,
33,
34.
bus.
Okay, that was a very well played game. So did you enjoy?
Yep, I did.
Okay. So like have a nice day and bye. Call me again, Debbie.
Yeah,
I
sure.
hope you
Bye.
enjoyed. Okay, so that was Debbie with us, and it's the last caller because it's time to wind up. So like I hope next time I have a lot of callers. So I hope all of you also enjoyed my thought for the day and my topic. And this is me, Ashna, signing off from Kiddo Kids, and bye.